Watch this owl's head spin almost completely around. But how is this even possible? Unlike humans, owls can't move their eyes. They are completely fixed in their sockets. So when they need to track prey or scan for threats, their entire head becomes their eye movement. Here's the incredible part. Owls have 14 neck vertebrae. Humans only have 7. These extra bones create a flexible scaffold that allows for extreme rotation. But that's not all. Special blood vessels prevent their brain from losing circulation during these dramatic turns. It's like having built-in shock absorbers for their blood flow. The result? A full 270-degree rotation. That's 3/4 of a complete circle. Nature's ultimate surveillance system, perfected over millions of years.